active validation, that mirroring of understanding, that right there is the absolute beating heart of perceived responsiveness.
Moving right along to section 2, feeling seen, responsive action. So let's see how this underlying engine builds into a highly actionable concept. Now, what's super interesting here is how the literature defines this. Psychologists call it perceived responsiveness. And it isn't just about being a polite conversationalist. It's definitely not about just being a quiet listener who nods along saying, uh-huh. It is fundamentally about making the other person feel like you truly get the real them. When you pull this off, you are hitting a deep, fundamental psychological need for what researchers call self-verification. I mean, think about it. We all walk around desperately wanting to be understood, right? We want our core identities to be recognized and affirmed. And when someone actually gives us that affirmation, boom, it acts as a massive, almost instant catalyst for attraction.
So, what does feeling seen actually look like in a live, real world interaction? Well, according to the perceived responsiveness scale used by researchers, it boils down to a few key behaviors. It's all about validating the other person's thoughts and feelings, showing genuine interest in their unique perspective, expressing encouragement, and really creating that palpable feeling of being on the exact same wavelength. Think about the stark difference between talking to someone who's just waiting for their turn to speak, Their eyes are kind of glazed over, versus someone who is actively engaging with your ideas, asking thoughtful follow-up questions, and making you feel completely seen and valued. That active validation, that mirroring of understanding, that right there is the absolute beating heart of perceived responsiveness.